Have you ever wondered, when you drink a glass of water, where does that water go inside your body? What happens next? How is urine formed? And why are the kidneys so important? Today we will take you on a complete scientific journey, where you will see the journey of water inside the body, and the entire process of urine formation step by step. Pat and pony body man enter hon kebade. When you drink water, first, esophagus, stomach. But the surprising thing is, water does not stay in the stomach for long. It immediately goes to the small intestine, where 90% of the water is absorbed. Part 2. Water absorption and blood flow. The small structures villi in the small intestine absorb water and put it into the blood. Now this water travels throughout the body through the bloodstream. This water is used to hydrate cells, control body temperature, transport nutrients. Hemavitox. Part 3. Blood, kidneys, tachys, jodahai. Now the blood, which contains water, goes to the kidneys. The kidney's job is to filter the blood. Every day, approximately 150 to 180 liters of blood is filtered. Part 4. Nephron, kidney ka superfilter. There are millions of small filters inside the kidney, which are called nephrons. Each nephron has 3 main steps. Step 1. Filtration. Blood comes into the glomerulus, where filtration takes place at high pressure. Water, salts, waste, urea. All these come out in a tube. Step 2. Reabsorption. Now, the body takes back important things. Glucose, amino acids, essential water. This process takes place in the tubules. Step 3. Secretion. The body adds more waste, like toxins and drugs. In the end, what is left is urine. Parte 5. Urine formation storage 8. 9:30. Urine is formed and goes. Kidney, ureter, bladder. The bladder stores urine, and when it is full, brain gives signal, go to washroom now. Parte 6. ADH hormone caroli 9:30-1. There is a special hormone, ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Its function, to save water in the body, to reduce or increase urine. If water is low, ADH increase, urine is produced. If water is high,